Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's look at some more Stream API interview question. So our question is, write a stream program to multiply first and last element, second and second last element, etc. numbers in an array. Okay, so an array is given to us, and what we need to do is basically we have to find the product of first and the last, second and the second last, third and the third last, or so on and so forth if we may have a longer array. Okay, so the multiplication of 4 and 9 is 36, and that is the answer. Then it's 5 into 2, 10, then 7. Okay, so that is what we need to print, and let's see how to code that. We will be using inStream, and it has a range function. So we use inStream because that gives us a stream of primitive elements to work on, and the range that we'll be selecting will be 0 to array dot length by 2. Then we take a map, array x into array of array dot length minus x minus 1 dot for each. Let's bring this down. Okay, let's run this. So we are getting our expected output. So in order to understand like what happened here, let's just dry run this. Okay, so the length of the array is 6. Okay, and we have to consider the range from 0 to n by 2. So the indexing will be from 0 to 5. Since we are using 0 based indexing, so it will be 0 to 5, and we are going to traverse from 0 to n by 2, so only till 3. Okay, now coming to the map part, let's understand this particular bit of computation. Okay, so in the map part here, if you see, we are traversing through the array. So when the value of x is 0, we are doing array of 0 into array dot length is 6, 6 minus x, that is 0 in this case, minus 1. So that is going to be 5, right, for the first part. And a of 0 and a of 5 is 36. So that is what you are getting. Then next, going forward, x will be 1. So array of 1 into array of the length minus 1, that will be the value of x now, and again minus 1. So that will be 4. So we are multiplying a of 1 and a of 4, that is 10. In the same manner, the two are calculated. For x2, it will be array of 2 into array of 3, and we get 7. So this is the simple computation that we did in this part in the question, and hoping that you understood this. So that is how we are getting this particular output, and it was a simple one. Do practice, and thank you for watching this. Let's catch up in the next video.